Yes, a very happy Sunday, everyone. Yeah, this is Top Plus from Traders 256. I'm back with analysis for you guys. Yeah, last week I didn't come on because I was still waiting for the market to play out. I think for those of you who actually did take these trades that I gave you guys, could have picked up some good amount of pips from there. So from the last time, ever since I made actually this analysis here, whereby I think we're around here, and I say that the market was going to drop, going to push down. Okay, so I think the market has moved around 400 pips or so. Okay, 426 pips, which is good if you just got into these trades and stayed up. Okay, as held those trades. So apart from that, let me just erase everything so that we may get started with my analysis. So as I shared earlier on, or in the previous podcast, I say that we had a simple impulsive push to the upside. It's a weekly chart, so the market is still correcting. Okay, market is still correcting. We are looking at the market having that correction. So if I draw my feet to look at our targets of where the market is supposed to most likely to stop, I'm looking at this area here of around 1.27, that price level there. So as you can see, the market still has some few another drop to make. So now let's get straight into what let's get straight into it. So having seen that, I do realize that let me just get this out. Having seen that the market is still dropping, within that major move we still have small minor moves, and this is what I'm looking at currently. On this daily chart, we had that impulse, correction, and this was a continuation. So when I draw a fib negative 61.8, I'm looking forward to the market giving us a correction before having that drop to complete that move. So let's get let me look at a smaller time frame, which my 4H. So within this, you can see that the market already started that corrective phase of that move, minor move. So it's simple. I'm still looking out for one corrective phase that started, created that impulsive push, creating a new high. Now I'm looking out for a correction, and that's where I'll be looking out for entries to get into this market to give us that corrective phase. It's just as simple as that. Just understand how the market moves, okay, and you'll be able to enjoy these markets. Once you master how it moves, understand how the prices move, and you'll be able to enjoy this market. So I'm just looking at this, waiting for this to give me this correction, and then I get in for buys up to around this level, which will be giving around 190 to 200 pips. So that is quite simple. Let's wait and see how it plays out. Yeah, the market always react to what the market's giving you, and don't trade what you think, but trade what you see. So for me, I'll be looking at what is happening, what's going to be happening around this area, around this zone here, in order for me to make my decision. So this is where I'll be waiting this market from. I'll be waiting this market from around this zone, and then I'll see how to get into these markets for that push to the upside. So if you have any questions, you can type in the chat, or you can follow us on our social media pages, Stop Loss on TikTok, then Traders 256 on our YouTube, and Traders 256 on X. Happy trading. I'll see you in the next one.